everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using MACD indicator. My plan for today to start with $10 and to make around $10 or $11,000. Let's see how everything will go. Guys, be sure to watch this video till the end because you will get to know how to work with MACD indicator and how it can help you to earn profit. And I also remind you that I will open deals for 1 or 2 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the situation. And to display the price movement on the chart, I will use 15-second Japanese candlesticks. Well, I think I explained everything I wanted for now. And guys, let's get started and let's find the first entry point. Alright guys, let's get to the business because now I'm going to explain you how this indicator works. Okay guys, as you can see, the MACD indicator is located at the bottom of the screen and it consists of 2 sliding green and red lines, as well as a histogram of red and green columns. And when I see the intersection of the moving averages as here, and at the same time we have a green histogram formed, the price begins to move up. That is, at such an intersection we can open a deal to increase. And here the price has just shown a good increase, and conversely, when the green moving average goes down and the red histogram is formed, the price begins to move down. So at such intersection, guys, of the moving averages, I could open a deal to go down. Also, if we look at the situation with the consolidation as here, when the price moves undetectedly, we will see that the moving averages in such situation often intersect with each other and the histogram is poorly expressed. In other words, we see that it is difficult to choose a good entry point here, so we'll try to avoid such situations, guys. And we will look for more explicit signals from this indicator. So these are the main points that we will need today in our trading, guys. Let's start and find the first entry point. So guys, as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, and at the moment it is showing a decrease. On the indicator we see a red histogram and the moving averages connect. So we will open a deal for short position. Earlier we saw a fairly strong pullback of the price down on the chart, and now as you can see, red candles are forming on the chart, and I think that in the near future the price will move down and only then perhaps it will resume its growth. So here we are going to try to make money on such downward pullback, and I think 2 minutes here, guys, will be totally enough for us. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Alright guys, that's great, and as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is going down. Thus our deal closed below the entry point and I got the profit here, guys. Well, that's amazing start, I think, because it's our first deal. And let's continue our trading session. Guys, as you can see, we have an uptrend here and the price starting to pull back down. We will open a short position as the moving averages connect and red bars appear, and on the chart we see a large number of red candles. Guys, as you can see, the price has the potential to decrease, and this situation is similar to the previous one. Last time such a deal worked out well, and let's see how the price will move this time, guys. So let's wait for the result.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Well, that's pretty good. As you can see, the price fell into the consolidation zone, but at the same time our deal closed below the entry point. Guys, I managed to make money here, and let's continue our trading session. So as you can see here, the price is showing growth and approaching the resistance level. So I suggest to open a deal to go up because we have an intersection of the moving averages and we see that green bars and also, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are rising. Also, guys, the price has already touched this level before, and I think that now it will try to touch it again. And all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. And now that 1 minute here, guys, will be totally enough for such movement, and let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Alright, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is showing growth and is moving beyond the resistance level. Thus, this transaction brings us profit, and guys, as you can see, the indicator turned out to be right again and helped us to earn here. And so let's continue our trading session, guys. So as you can see, the price is showing good growth here, and after a pullback, green candles appeared on the chart again. Therefore, we will open a deal to increase the price, since the moving averages on the indicator are connecting. This is how we understand that the price has the potential for growth. Also, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Well, that's pretty good. As you can see, our deal closed above the entry point, and thus we got the profit here. And I suggest that we continue our trading session, guys. Next, we have an impulsive red candle formed, and we will open a short position since the moving averages are also connected on the indicator. That is, as you can see, guys, the price is pulling back down, and I think it will continue to move down in the near future. Here we'll try to make money on such a decrease, and I think that 1 minute in this case will be quite enough. And let's see how this deal will close, guys. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a decrease. Thus, this transaction brought us a profit here, and we already have $171 on deposit. So, guys, as you can see, we have already managed to increase our initial amount by almost 20 times. And this is great result, and as you can see, the MACD indicator in combination with technical analysis works fine. And so, guys, let's continue our trading session. So as you can see, we have a downtrend here and the price moving beyond the support level. The green line of the indicator goes down, so we will open a deal for a short position. And as you can see, guys, this level previously held the price well. So now the price moving beyond its limits by momentum. That is, we understand that this price has a good potential to go down. And I think that in the near future, the price will move down, guys. Alright, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a decrease. Thus, guys, this transaction brought us a profit, and the indicator also suggested a good entry point in this situation. Well, I suggest that we continue and we will find another situation on the market. Here, the resistance level of the price made a reversal and began to move down. At the moment, the price is moving downwards with an impulse, and we immediately open a downside deal as the moving indicators intersect. Also, the main price highs on the chart are decreasing, and I think that in the near future, the price will try to break through the support level. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, that's pretty good, and as you can see, guys, the price moving beyond the support level, and this deal brought us a profit, guys. So let's continue and we'll find another situation on the market. So as you can see, we have an uptrend here, and after a pullback, green candlesticks appear on the chart again. We see a green histogram on the indicator and the moving averages connect. So guys, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up because we still have enough space left to reach the maximum point on the chart, and all these points indicate that the price has a good potential for growth. Therefore, I think that the price will continue to move up in the general uptrend. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing growth. Thus, our deal closed in profit, and guys, the indicator in this case turned out to be right again and helped us to earn. So let's continue our trading session, guys. Here the price is moving in a downtrend and is currently showing a decrease. The moving averages connect and we see a red histogram, so we will open a deal to go down because, as you can see, guys, the main price highs on the chart are getting lower and the price is moving down more aggressively and mainly with red candles. That is, as you can see, the price has a good downward potential, and so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great! Guys, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good decline. Thus, I'm making a profit here and we have the first $1,000 on deposit. As you can see, guys, we are confidently approaching our trading goal, and so let's continue our trading session. Okay, as you can see here, the price is approaching the support level. On the indicator, we see a red histogram and the moving averages are connecting. Therefore, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, since there's still enough space left before the support level and the price has already touched the level before. We also see that the main price highs on the chart are decreasing, and guys, all these points indicate that the price has a good downward potential, and I think that in the near future the price will approach the marked level. And so let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Okay, as you can see, the price showing a good decrease. This deal brought us a steady profit. So guys, as you can see, the indicator has again gave us an excellent entry point. Well, I suggest that we continue and consider some other trading situations. So as you can see, we have a resistance level here, and the price touching this level begins to move down. In such situation, we will open a short position because we see a red histogram on the indicator and the moving averages intersect. Also guys, we still have a long distance to reach the minimum point on the chart. It was from this zone that the price made a reversal earlier and began to move up. That is, even now, nothing prevents the price from showing a decrease to this zone, and I hope that 2 minutes will be quite enough for us in such a situation. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, as you can see, our price began to move up and thus our position here was knocked out. That is, this deal turned out to be unprofitable, but guys, there's nothing wrong with that because we still have some funds on the deposit, and guys, I can continue our trading session. And just as you might have noticed, most of the signals from our indicator worked out well. So guys, let's continue our trading session. So as you can see here, the price starts to move up, and on the indicator we see a green histogram and the moving averages connect. Therefore, we are opening a deal to increase, and I think that the price will approach the resistance level, which is still a long way away. Earlier, guys, as you can see, the price has already entered this zone several times and tried to break through this level. And guys, we understand that the price has a good potential for growth, so let's wait for the outcome. So guys, as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing growth. And yeah, this deal brought us profit here. And as you can see, we managed to almost completely cover the loss from our previous unsuccessful deal. And guys, the indicator for this situation turned out to be right again, and it helped us to earn here. And so let's continue our trading session. Here, as you can see, the price went up with an impulse, and we immediately open a deal to go up, since we see a green histogram on the indicator and the green line has gone up. Also earlier, as you can see, the price moved down mainly with red candles, but now it has begun to move up more impulsively, and as you can see, the price has a great potential for growth. I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see, the price showing good growth, and thus this deal brought us a steady profit, and we already have $4,500 on deposit, and I think that a couple of more deals will be enough for today. So guys, therefore let's continue and consider the next situation on the market. Okay guys, the price is approaching the resistance level, so we will open a deal to go up. Since the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential for growth and there's still enough room to reach the level, and earlier, as you can see, the price has already touched the level several times. Therefore, I think that in the near future, the price will continue its growth and will approach the marked level. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it's showing growth. Thus, we got a profit here, guys. In other words, our trading goal for today has been completed. Therefore, I just end our trading session for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it was useful for you. Guys, we had an amazing trading session today. And yeah, by the way, these are the winners of my latest giveaway. And guys, the giveaway is still going. If you wanna participate in it, what you should do is to subscribe to my channel, like my 3 latest videos, and also to leave a comment down below. The comment should be more than 5 words. Well, easy peasy, guys. And also don't forget that I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. Guys, if you want to get them super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram and yeah, I will add you to my closed group. And I will see you guys in the next video. I wish you to have profitable trading sessions on your own. Bye bye.